Hi there, my name is Tommy and welcome to Canon 5D Tips YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about little light meter called LUMU. So LUMU comes in this metal box. Inside of the metal box you have three items. You have little hello introduction with warranty info and contact and two stickers. You get LUMU inside leather bag which has holes on the back, and you can put it on camera strap or neck strap, and you get LUMU neck. LUMU neck is little necklace, so you can put it around your neck and put your light meter so you can carry it around set and not worry to lose it. And this is LUMU. This is light meter, but as a standalone device you cannot measure anything until you plug it into your device. We talk about iPhones, iPads or iPods and some Android phones. You plug it into headphones jack and you open LUMU photo application, which is free on App Store and Google Play. Once you open it, you will get to introduction screen where you give permission to use microphone or your camera, and you have video tutorial how to use application and LUMU. When you get to the main screen, you will see it has photo, multi, measure light, notes and settings. The main screen is photo, okay, and in photo you have aperture, you have shutter speed and you have ISO. So you can switch and swipe any of these values, settings that you want, and you can measure the one that you need. So I want to aperture 2.8 and I want ISO 400, so I put it like that. I click on shutter speed and I click measure and it will measure my shutter speed, okay? But I didn't use it like this. I went to main menu, I clicked on multi, and then you see this scale on the bottom. I clicked once, then I turn LUMU around, I click second time, and then turn it to the other side and click third time, and I get three measurements, and it says 1/60th of a second. That's the average from three sides, and that's the setting I'm using to record this video. So why did I use it like that? Because I want my whites to be white and black to be black. This chair is black and it should be black on video. I will not change brightness, so you can check pure video how I'm shooting. This camera is well black and you see whites here and grays here. That's it. So why I talk about blacks and whites? Because your camera is measuring reflective light, and if you point your camera into white or black subjects, you will get wrong readings. Why? Because from black there is less reflection and your camera will try to push it up to expose it a little bit more, so you will get something grayish. I think 18% gray. It will happen exactly the same, opposite on white. Your camera will get too much reflections, it will try to underexpose it a little bit and you will get grayish again, 18% I believe. So with light meter like LUMU, you just turn light meter in direction from where you want light and you will get incident light, the light that is getting to that subject, and you put settings into your camera and you get whites white and blacks black. You have real-time measurements in lux, foot candles and evolution stops. You have settings where you can put camera type, analog, digital. You have evolution stops, you have LUMU calibration, camera calibration, double tap function, maximum aperture and the filter notation, wallpapers part, notes part. You can add whole setting into notes with geotagging and images, and you have calibration part, and you have help section where you can check videos, feedback and show tutorials again. The great thing is you can sync it with iCloud and you can import settings from Dropbox as well. So that's advantages that you don't get with other light meters. What are downsides of LUMU? It's you cannot use it with flash. You cannot use it with strobes because I believe it cannot capture those lights so fast. I'm not sure about it. I would most certainly recommend them to try to make it, you know, delay of 10 or 15 seconds or 5 seconds and try to measure peak of light. And the other thing, it doesn't measure warmth of light. It doesn't measure kelvins. So those are only two downsides I found. Pros, of course, are it is so small, it's practical to use. You have that LUMU neck, you have little leather bag, you have great software that's updating, great support, and I really recommend LUMU as a light meter if you don't use flash all the time. So that's it, guys. If I miss something, let me know. See ya.